2021 is upon us. To all the ladies, do you have any vows, any commitments, something you're trying to do better than you did this year? For my wish or my resolution, it's simple actually. I give a kiss, global, no, worldwide, international, to everyone in Africa, Jamaica, China, Russia. Dr. Ross, what is your New Year's resolution?
Well, Black King Sebastian, it's funny that you asked that because my New Year's resolution is the same old, you know, work on my exercising, writing more books, and spreading positive energy for this new year.
I be when you got that scrap on you. What up, y'all?
Alright, I'ma fuck with you.
Alright, bro.
But we want to take a second to acknowledge our Jamaican products, our hair products, and our clothing line because we're selling like hotcakes. And if anyone wants to partner with Black King Sebastian and I on selling this and, you know, getting yourself some products, make sure to contact us on our roseandgold.us at Instagram.
Indeed.
Let's get straight into these hot topics.
Our first hot topic is with Tyrese and his wife. They are currently going through a divorce.
You know, Black King Sebastian, that happens sometimes, especially when you're going through a lot of jobs. Like Black King Sebastian, as actors and actresses, you and myself, it's just a lot. It's a lot of work. He's going to be in a new upcoming movie, The Fast and Furious 9.
Please tell me that's not a Pontiac Fiero strapped to a rocket engine?
Impressive. I know.
No, that's not impressive.
And his wife is sitting at home looking like a goddess, and he's getting more and more tired looking when he should have stayed more in the modeling and singing, but...
And one thing I have to say to you, Tyrese, you should have stayed with the music. You shouldn't have got the dopey mustache, and you should not have went into the new acting.
You basically shouldn't have gotten married. This is the type of industry where you can't get married, Tyrese. Love them, but don't fall in love with them. And that's a quote that we hear every single day.
Oh my fucking...
For our next hot topic, we're going to go ahead and mention that Christina Aguilera was recently out with her husband, kissing him, but people wanted to mention that she was in a smallest bikini that she could find in the winter season. What are your thoughts, Black King Sebastian?
You know she's out there looking for the chocolate, as well as trying to be scandalous and be seen. And we're not hating your game, Miss Aguilera. Dr. Ross, I don't think she was our winner, but who knows? We'll enter her into the raffle. She might be the next winner. Stay tuned, Miss Aguilera. Let's move into our next hot topic with the Cardi B. So Cardi B is now rigging herself up, and she's looking for someone new.
It's true, she does look different. She looks a little bit... Oh, Black King Sebastian has...
All I have to say, Cardi B, this is what you need right here. The 5 languages of love. And Black King is always available. Obviously, you're not my type, but we could probably work something out. Just take out the no more of that. Not the Wendy Williams. And speaking about Miss Williams or Mr. Williams, keep the seat warm. We're gonna be there pretty soon. Let's move into our next hot topic.
Our next hot topic is going to have to mention another ratchet one, but you know, we love them. We love them all. Miley Cyrus. Miley Cyrus recently did an interview, and they asked her, who would she rather kiss, Justin Bieber or Harry Styles? And she went on a long ramble about why she is so in love with Harry Styles and she wants to share a life with him, and that Justin Bieber is like a brother to her because they grew up together.
And Dr. Ross, with the Miley Cyrus, I have to say the same thing. For your New Year's resolution, you need to buy this book and get some counseling from the Black King. And we love to make some music. Now, it wouldn't be country music because Dr. Ross and I, we're currently not into that. But we'll make some smooth R&B. Hit me up, Miley. And don't do too much of Jay-Z's new 420. Let's move into our next hot topic.
So, this just popped up. Black King Sebastian, you already know how we were speaking on LeBron James and his son Bronny. So, some recent tea has came out, and LeBron James, because I guess Larsa Pimpin is kind of making fun of his son, and LeBron James came out and spilled the complete tea and said that you guys, did the no-no. What are your thoughts, Black King?
This is all alleged.
Exactly,
So-
alleged rumor before someone actually speaks out with the truth, but allegedly.
Because unless if the LeBron has the 411 on dial, or he has the evidence to prove it,
What did he say?
we're keeping our eyes and ears open at all times, watching for the new information to unfold. Let's move to our final hot topic, Dr. Ross.
For our final hot topic, we're going to go ahead and mention that Angelina Jolie recently did an interview on 60 Minutes of Australia, and her dad made a special appearance on there, and it got really emotional. What are your thoughts, Black King?
Angelina, it's been a long time since we've seen you in the news. You've been hiding out for a while, with the Brad Pitt too. Now we don't know if you guys are dating, if you're back together, probably not. But Brad Pitt, stop moping around, and Angelina Jolie, keep doing you. We'll be in the next Maleficent 3. These were all of our hot topics, but make sure to stay tuned for the Jamaican products, as well as our Jamaican clothing line.
And once again, happy New Year's Eve, because when we post this video, it will be New Year's, and it's going to be a new, fresh year for everyone, including Black King's Fashion Night.
Today we're gonna make America great again. And we're taking this from someone else who used the word inappropriately. But Dr. Ross and I, we already have our resolutions. What's yours? Make sure to get it before it's too late. That's for you, Kylie. We out.